Hi there. Is this seat taken?
Hi. No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thanks. I'm David, by the way.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you too, Emily. Are you from around here?
Yes, I live nearby. What about you?
I just moved here last week. Still learning my way around.
Oh, welcome. How do you like it so far?
It's nice, quiet, and friendly. People seem kind.
That's true. It's a peaceful place.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, sometimes in the evening. I like walking here.
That's cool. I might come more often now.
You should. It's a great spot to relax.
So, Emily, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I work at the local school.
That's nice. I work in IT. I do computer stuff from home.
That's interesting. It must be nice to work from home.
Yes, but sometimes it's a little quiet.
I miss talking to people.
Well, now you've met someone.
That's true. Thanks for the chat.
So, David, you said you just moved here?
Yes, I moved here yesterday from another city.
Oh, I see. Was it a big move?
Yes, a little. I had to pack many things. But I like it here.
That's good. Do you live alone?
Yes, just me. My family lives far away.
Same here. My parents live in another town.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, one younger sister. She's in college now.
Nice. I have an older brother. He works in a hospital.
Wow, that's great. Is he a doctor?
No, he's a nurse. He likes helping people.
That's so kind. It's nice talking to you, David.
Thanks, Emily. You're very friendly.
Would you like to exchange numbers? Maybe we could meet again.
Sure, that would be nice. Here you go. This is my number.
Got it. I'll send you a message.
Great. Talk to you soon, David.